The predictor within Docs Plus can help students to write more accurately and fluently. Click the predictor icon to open the tool. The predictor will follow the words as you type. The predictor can offer words based on the sounds of the letters typed. These predictions will be offered in gray. Right-click predictions to hear them.
Football.
Left-click to select.
The man played football.
When the on-screen keyboard is activated, the predictor will sit above the keyboard. When the word bar is shown, the predictor sits above the word bar to maximize space for words. Click the Options ribbon and click Suggestions for more options related to your predictor. Click Predictor. You can adjust the sounds like prediction, determine if you want the predictor to predict next word, and determine the database size. You can also choose how many words are offered and how they are displayed.